Hi everyone, Peter Kelleher, Director of PK Properties, Sydney's Buyers Agents. Look, I just wanted to talk to you about valuing a property properly before you purchase. There's a lot of data around, like you can go to RP Data and you can purchase reports. You can go to auctions and have a look what they're selling for, what they're getting passed in for in your immediate area and price range. There's a number of different ways of valuing a property, but realistically at the moment in this market, you need to be in a position that you need to go from an actual sale that is exchanged probably no more than 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. So you need to be very recent in regards to your valuing because the market's changing all the time. When you are valuing a property, you need to look at what price you are valuing it at in regards to location, infrastructure, if there's going to be new train lines put in, but all sorts of things like that. But the other side is you've got to have a look at the value. If you're going to lose a view, if you're going to have a block of units go up beside of you, the property needs to be valued properly in regards to what it's going to be worth in the future and what it's worth now. So look, if you are having problems valuing a property in this market, which a lot of people are, what is the true value to pay in this present market? Give me a call direct on 0419 200 018 for some free advice. Thank you.